Hello, and welcome to my channel. This is Maria here, and as you can see, today I'm decorating another model in a dark page from a magazine. I've been doing this for the whole season. Autumn is one of my favorite seasons of the year, and I'm going to link the playlist down below this video. So go ahead and check it out. I have been doing all these models. As you can see, all of them have a bird on the page and a lot of decorations related with this time of the year when we have a lot of orange, a lot of pumpkins going out, and a lot of candles going on too. So stay in this video because I'm going to keep doing this amazing lady and I'm going to be decorating her. I have this lantern that I guess is perfect for her to hold on her right hand. So I'm going to put it there and I think it has the perfect vibe for this collage. Now I have this store that I love. I found it on a decoration magazine and I love the tones, like the brownish tone that I loved. It's like water paint. So I really like it for the contrasting between the door and the back part of the illustration. So I have that little garden and I'm going to transform it into a fireplace which has the same tones of oranges and brown for the season. Now I'm gonna find a clear stamp that I want to use to decorate her coat and also part of the socks she is using. So I want to link down below the video about how to use reverse stamping. You just need a clear stamp. I'm showing you the results that I obtained and a nail file. The results are amazing and you're gonna be loving the technique. Try it and use it in your journals and in your images. So I'm gonna start by decorating the sleeves tiny bit. So as you can see, I'm gonna have the branches all the way down from the shoulder all the way down to her wrist, and I'm gonna do a second one. The result is immediate, so you can see that white like popping up in the dark page. Let's do a little bit more on the shoulders, and I guess the upper part of the coat is ready. Now I have a second lantern. I want to put it on that door because it gives me a special vibe for autumn and for this dark nights that we're having lately are in the season. Now I have my journal celebrate in which I want to place the lady, and also I'm going to give a touch of blue that is totally different, adding this beautiful mushroom, and that looks so pretty. Now I'm going to go with the socks and I want to place the same branch in the back of the page. That is why this is called reverse stamping. Look at how beautiful. And I want to complete the sleeve with a little bit more off branches. Wow. I love the result. And now I need to find a place in my journal that is almost ready for 2024. Actually, I left over here part one and part two, and I need to do this last part that I want to upload very soon because I'm about to finish part three of my journal so I can be starting another journal for next year. Also, I want to do the December Ember that is going to be happening starting on the November 15. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you the prompt. So I've been doing that for 3 years now, and I'm going to be posting the videos for December Ember. That means ephemeras in December. So that's really cool. And probably you can join me and other people that do the December Ember challenge every year. So as you can see, magazine pages are really thin and I want to have it a little bit more sturdy and firm. That's what I'm looking here in my folder for empty pages. And I guess I'm going to find the perfect one is this one with a music sheet that I coffee dyed a while ago. So I'm going to be using it to put it on the back of the half of the page of the lady. And as you can see, I fold the page in half so I can have an additional page. So because I don't have too many empty pages already. So as you can see, we can create additional pages in our journals just by adding magazine pages or any page you have, and fold it in half, and then you can have an extra page. And now I'm going to give this a final touch, and I'm going to be using these white lilies. I love them, and I love especially the yellow part of the stamens in the center of the flower. They give me a vibe for autumn and for that yellow that breaks down the dark of the long nights we're having now. Thank you for being here. You can click here in my picture at the end of the video to subscribe to my channel. You can also leave me a comment down below. What are you doing in this time of the year today, that is October the 31st, 2024? And don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. And also here in the end of the video, I'm going to leave you two more videos about part one and part two of this amazing journal I'm just finishing in this end of the year 2024. Thank you for your time. Thanks for being here. And I see you soon in my next episode. Bye, friends. Bye bye. Bye bye.